Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to download and install Binance app in your mobile phone. For that you need to go to your Play Store and go at your top and search for apps and games. There you can type Binance wallet, and here you will see a lot of options, but choose the one at the top with 4.8 rating and 142 MB. So Binance Buy BTC and 600 plus crypto is the app that you would want to install. Now you need to go and install the app. So click on install. In this way your app will get downloaded. So Binance is basically the world's #1 cryptocurrency platform for trading volume. It is trusted by millions of users worldwide. You can get started right today and buy Bitcoin, Chainlink, Rune, Cardano, Binance Coin, and more, all with some of the lowest fees in crypto. Additionally, you can also explore awesome art and collection on Binance NFT marketplace as well. Binance app is available not only to US users but also people residing outside this country. You can easily access this app and use it as per your choice. Our app is now nearly getting installed. It says installing. Okay, so our app is installed. You need to click on open. In this way your app will open and you can see the logo of Binance at the very first. We will wait for it to load so that you can go to the main home, and here now we are at home. It welcomes you to Binance. Now you can create or sign up in your account, and here it has asked you, it has welcomed you to Binance, and before you start you can enter your current location of residency and start using the app. Thank you.